I use ChatGPT as a tool to help take the next step in songwriting. When I write a song, I get kind of like this random download of melody and lyrics that don't make sense. What I did is I gave ChatGPT a task and then I asked it to create lines with the same amount of syllables, similar phenome shapes, and the same rhyme scheme. So what I initially had was dig up some daisies and down in my mind, ask for your number, send me a line, running on empty, gave it away, call it a lover, leave over time. And what it came up with was caught in the moonlight, lost in the pines, holding your picture, tracing the lines, burnt out and weary, faded and gray, promise forever, faded away. So I would change some of those lyrics, but I think it's kind of interesting to still use the human spark, but then use ChatGPT to kind of just accelerate the process. Cool. Thanks for watching.